What's up, everybody? It's Matt at American Mustangs. We got another sweet Mustang here. It's a Shelby. It's a 1968 GT500KR 428 Cobra jet, 4-speed from the factory. Beautiful Acapulco blue. This car has been fully restored, top to bottom. Just take a few minutes here, go around the car. It's got the Lucas fog lights, Fomoco headlights, there. Now you can see that paint, GT500KR. It's got 10 spokes, BFG radial TAs. This is a show car. There's a copy of the original window sticker. Car number's 3860. Correct dual exhaust tips, correct Cobra jet gas cap. This car has been at many shows. Let's get the interior while we're here. Beautiful deluxe interior. It's got the 140-mile speedometer, 8K tach with the 6K red line. Stewart Warner gauges, 4-speed, shift pattern, Shelby seat belts, Shelby console. Seats are in excellent condition. Roll bar with the shoulder harnesses, original harnesses with the tags, fold down rear seat, also original seat belts there, both sides. Back seat is mint. Pop the trunk. Beautifully detailed trunk compartment. All the correct rubber stoppers for 68s. Got your jack usage and stowage instructions there. Spare tire. Elite Marty report. Showing it's an Acapulco blue 4-speed GT500KR. It was sold at Jack Gibbons City Ford in New Jersey. A lot of restoration receipts in this. I mean, it's thick. Picture of the car when it was sold. Got a lot of pictures of the car from the 70s. Just some Shelby documents here. Copy of the original invoice. Here's the original build sheet. These are normally found taped behind the gauge cluster on the wiring harness. And the man himself signed this one, 1/3 of 98. There's the tape. They normally tape them to the wire harness on. Shelby unit. Very cool piece. Some pictures here. Let's see. Of the engine number when the valve covers were off. That's May 68 heads. There's your VINs that are under the fender aprons and the tag. Picture of the rotating assembly when the engine was being rebuilt. Picture of the VIN, original trans stamped on the top ear. Engine before it went in. The car was rotisserie restored. Got the car on the rotisserie. A lot of bottom side detailing. Got some great pictures. Took the other day of the complete underside. A lot of attention to detail on this car. The underside is absolutely beautiful. Car's got great lines and gaps. There's your original VIN tag there. Pop this door open. Nice clean door jambs. Love seeing that. Another angle of the back seat. Headliner. The dash was also signed by Carroll Shelby. Carroll did sign a lot of that. He signed a lot of everything. He would do anything for some money, but it's always nice to have one with a signature. Door shut really good. Beautiful KR. Let's pop the hood. Got all the Concord paint markings. Correct color power steering pump. Power disc brakes, power steering. All the smog. You can see the rail going down through the heads. Smog can. Dual vacuum advanced distributor. And a couple things on this car. Starter delay. These are almost always gone. Crazy expensive piece. So it's great that that's there. It's got the paint okay stampings there and there. Original exhaust manifolds, Fomoco radiator, love seeing those. Really nice spot welds from the factory. Date codes on the fenders, got the correct Some people call it dum-dum under the fenders on both sides. A lot of money was put into this car to make it this nice. Start it up. Got the clock ticking. Exhaust on it. It's got a nice exhaust note, not too loud. 428 Cobra jet sounds great. KR snorkel, S-tube. RPM. Got great oil pressure. Everything's working. Let's get a gear here. Clutch feels really nice in this car.
Cars for sale. Beautiful, fully restored 68 KR. Call 304-731-6497.